Automatic opening and closing sauce seasoning bottle all for only 110. Minimalist wooden handle round cup mug plastic for drinking coffee for only 64 pesos. Cereal storage container food fresh keeping box square transparent for only 35 to 107 pesos. Drying rack kitchen countertop plate organizer storage shelf for only 1,699 pesos. Mug holder tree wooden holder coffee rack for only 114 pesos. 2 pieces set kitchen carpet floor mat non-slip retro thickened doormat for only 115 pesos. 5 pieces set cooking knife sets with storage box stainless steel chef knife red for only 134 pesos. Corner pot storage rack for kitchen for only 258 to 429 pesos. 8 kilograms rice dispenser and storage with measuring cup for only 249 pesos. Multifunction manual garlic cutter food processor vegetable chopper slicer for only 99 to 129 pesos. 9-in-1 home multifunction detachable kitchen easy-use drain basket vegetable cutter set for only 139 pesos. 2 layers non-stick steamer electric stove multifunctional mini rice cooker pot for only 349 pesos.